Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Wina. So today we're going to continue with our videos on statistics, and today we're going to see a very important topic, which is probability. So probability. I'm sure many of you have come across this chapter. It is very common in statistics. So in fact, what is probability? Let's take a look. So in fact, probability is a measure. It is a measure of the likelihood of an event. Of the likelihood of an event. So what does this mean? It means how likely, how often, how likely can that event happen? Can it happen or not? So let's take an example. For example, in probability, you have a very classic example, which is rolling a dice. Rolling a dice. So as you may know, a dice has 6 sides. So if you roll a dice, what is the probability that you will get 1, 2, or 3, 4, 5, or 6? So you have all these probabilities. You have a likelihood of having a 1, a 2, a 3, 4, a 5, or a 6, right? So these probabilities, whenever you're rolling a dice once, you're going to get these probabilities, right? So rolling a dice once, we have to say once. This is very important. So according to this, we have a formula for probability, which is this formula, which I'm going to write it clearly so that you can see. So the formula is, let's say for example, the probability of getting a 6, of getting a 6. Let's take it like this. It's written like this in statistics. Okay, and the formula is probability of getting a 6 is equal to, it is the number of ways that event can occur. Of ways events can occur divided by the number of possible outcomes. Number of possible outcomes. And here, for instance here, outcomes. Number of ways this 6 can occur. It's only 1, right? 1 over number of possible outcomes is 6. So 1 over 6. This is the probability of getting a 6. 1 over 6. This is the answer. Okay. This is for the probability with respect to rolling a dice. Now you have other example where I can show you more examples where Another example would be whenever you're tossing a coin, maybe you know this example, tossing a coin. So if you toss a coin, you will get either head, head, or tail, right? This is logical. So the probability of getting a head, let's say you want to calculate the probability of getting a head, write it like this. So what is the number of ways that that event can occur if you're tossing a coin once? We have to put this once, okay? It's important to precise. Um, so what is the probability of that event that can occur when tossing a coin once? It is 1, right? Of getting a tail. And divided by what are the number of ways of possible outcomes. What are the possible outcomes? Either you get a head or a tail, right? So you have 2 outcomes. So the probability of having a head when tossing a coin once is 1/2. So half. This is the answer. So I hope you understood a bit about probabilities. This is just only the beginning. We're going to dive deeper into the subject. If ever you want to rewind and rewatch the video, you're welcome. I hope you understood uh, about probability and understood the 2 examples that I gave. And thank you very much for watching. Please like the video. Thank you. Bye.